project is Origami Starfish by me, Bruce Gemmell, co-founder of Art Science Complex. I'm coming to you from the Tinkering Studio at the Reuben H. Fleet Science Center, San Diego, California. Let's begin. Origami Starfish. This is also going to utilize the hexagon. So, I'm going to fold in our hexagon like we've done before. And now we have 6 sides. Our starfish is going to have 5 sides. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold in one side to make a pentagon. Right? Now from my pentagon, I'm going to fold in towards the center using a box pleat technique, folding up all the sides until I have my 5-sided starfish. That was Origami Starfish by me, Bruce Gemmell, co-founder of Art Science Complex, member of Origami USA, coming to you from the Tinkering Studio, Reuben H. Fleet Science Center, San Diego, California.